We pride ourselves on our people and our incredible service. So when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to provide you with a great experience. Great feedback like this helps to keep us all very motivated. Our goal is to provide service that is second to none, and it's great to see that everyone appreciates our efforts. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.